the questions we get at this time of the year is how does obviously the temperature affect the product and what you're going to be painting or staining. For decks, the two products we like are Super Deck by Sherwin-Williams and then the Olympic stain. On this deck, you can see it was done with a solid color, but it's flaking and it needs to be redone. The issue with doing it this time of the year is that you need 12 hours with no rain, and that it also needs to not freeze within 24 hours. Very difficult this time of the year. We would probably push this deck off because it takes so long to cure and people have family coming into town. But these are the two products we like to use. Always read the back of the can so you know that the product will be applied right and at the right time.